Want to create a subdomain in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. To create a subdomain in Hostinger, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the Websites section and open the Websites list panel. You will see a list of websites under the Business Web Hosting section. Choose the website where you want to create a subdomain and click on Dashboard. On the next page, click on Domains from the menu panel, then select Subdomains. Click on Create a new subdomain. Enter the name of your subdomain. You can check the Custom Folder for Subdomain box to set a custom folder name, but this step is optional. If you don't check the box, the Hostinger will create the subdomain using default settings. Finally, click on Create. That's it. Your subdomain is now created instantly. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.